औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्लास 8th सब्जेक्ट मैथ, टॉपिक क्यूब एंड क्यूब रूट्स, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 7.1, पेज नंबर 124। और पहले हम क्यूब पढ़ेंगे कि क्यूब क्या होता है। Cube, a figure which has 3 dimensions, is called a cube. एक क्यूब की 3 dimensions होती है, यानी 3 फेसेस होती है, या हम ऐसे ही कहेंगे 3 डायमेंशनल फिगर को क्यूब कहते हैं। तो क्यूब कैसे हम निकालते हैं? अगर हम ऐसे लेंगे 1, इसका हम क्यूब करेंगे। क्यूब का मतलब है we will multiply it 3 times. When we multiply any number 3 times by itself, we will get the cube of that number. Let 1, we multiply 1 into 1 into 1, we get 1. This 1 is the cube of 1. ऐसे ही अगर हम 2 की मिसाल लेंगे, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2s are 8. ऐसे ही 3 की मिसाल लेंगे, 3 into 3 into 3, it is 27. 4 into 4 into 4, it is 64. 5 into 5 into 5, it is 125. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम ये देख लेंगे, 1, the cube of 1 is 1, the cube of 2 is 8, the cube of 3 is 27, the cube of 4 is 64, the cube of 5 is 125. In reverse, we can say this 1 is the cube root of this. The cube root of 1 is 1, the cube root of 8 is 2, the cube root of 27 is 3, the cube root of 64 is 4, the cube root of 125 is 5. तो दिस इज द क्यूब एंड क्यूब रूट्स। यहाँ पे अगर हम एक्सरसाइज फर्स्ट पे जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे हमें कह रहा है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स आर नॉट परफेक्ट क्यूब्स। हमें बताना है कि इनमें से परफेक्ट क्यूब कौन सा नहीं है। परफेक्ट क्यूब हमें बताना है कि कौन सा नहीं है। अगर हम यहाँ पे पहली मिसाल ले लेंगे, यहाँ पे इसने पहला सवाल जो दिया है वह है 216। तो हम कैसे निकालेंगे? हम इसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे। प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालने के बाद हम इन, जैसे हम स्क्वायर रूट्स में वहाँ पे वो पेयर्स बनाते थे, और यहाँ पे हमें ट्रिपलेट्स बनाने हैं, यानी 3-3 करके लिखना है ये प्राइम फैक्टर्स। अगर हम ये पहली मिसाल लेंगे 216, हाँ यहाँ पे आप नजर रख लीजिए 216, वी मल्टीप्लाई 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 7 are 24, 3 9 are 27, 3 3 are 9. We will write it 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make triplets. This is one triplet. This is another triplet. We will write 2 from this triplet and 3 from this triplet. 2 3s are 6. So 216 is the cube root of, cube root of 216 is 6, or we can write 6 cube is 216. ऐसे ही दूसरा पार्ट इसने यहाँ पे लिखा है 128, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4. अगर हम यहाँ पे लेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, 2 2 2, if we, when we make triplets, this is one triplet, this is another triplet, we get extra 2, so it is not perfect cube. ऐसे ही तीसरा पार्ट इसने लिखा है 1000, we will 2 5s are 10, 2 0 0 2 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 15, 5 5s are 15. We will write it is 2 3 times and 5 3 times. We will write 2 from this triplet and 5 from this triplet, 5 2s are 10, so it is the perfect cube. ऐसे ही चौथा पार्ट इसने दिखाया है 100, जब हम 100 का निकालेंगे 2 5 are 10, 2 0 0 है, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. We will get 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. We will get 2 2 times and 5 2 times, but we have need of 2 3 times and 5 3 times, so it is not perfect cube. Another question is 4 6 6 5 6. Make prime factors. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 3 are 9. We will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 6 times, 3 4 5 and 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 3 6 times, 3 3 3 3 3 3. We will make triplets. This is one triplet true, this is another triplet 2, this another triplet 3, this another triplet 3. So we will write 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. It is a perfect cube of 36. Same is the case. Question number 2. Question number 2, I find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied so get perfect cube. हमें बताना है कि कौन सा हमें छोटा से छोटा नंबर इसमें जिसे हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ताकि परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाएगा. अगर हम पहला लेंगे 2 4 3, इसके हम परफेक्ट ये निकालेंगे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से. तो 3 से करेंगे. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 27, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. We will write here 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make triplet. This is one triplet, and we see that here remaining only 2 3s, but we have to need 3 times. Make it triplet. So we will multiply it by 3 to make a perfect square. The least number which must be multiplied by this 2 4 3 is 3, so we will get the perfect square. Similarly, the second part is 256. Make prime factors. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Make triplets. This is one triplet, this is another triplet, but we have a need of 1 times, so we multiply it by 2, so we will get the perfect cube. Same is the question 72. Prime factorization. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 36, 2 9s are 8, 3 3s are 9. This is one triplet 2, but we need of 3, so we will multiply it by 3 so as to get a perfect cube. Similarly, the next part is 675. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Here 3 is 3 times, it is a one triplet, but we need of 1 5, so we will multiply the same number by 5 and get the perfect cube. Similarly, the same question 100. 2 5s are 10, 2 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Here we see 2 is 2 times, 5 is 2 times, so we need 2 1 time and 5 1 time. 5 2s are 10, we will multiply this number by 10 so as to get a perfect cube. तो शुक्रिया, आज के लिए इतना ही. इसके आप और क्वेश्चन रह गए वो इंशाल्लाह कल करेंगे. थैंक्स. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.